Hey guys, it's Grayson. Welcome if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. If you are not already, pretty please subscribe to my channel, leave this video a like if you're feeling it, and ring the bell to get notified when I post. I upload new videos twice a week, and we do everything makeup here, from looks to unboxings to reviews to all the things. So I hope you stick around with me. And if you are not already, please head over and follow me on Instagram. I'm always doing a bunch of fun creative makeup content over there, so make sure you follow me over there as well. And we're going to jump right in today. We are doing an unboxing, but it is something new that I've never received before. So there is a little thing called Influenster, and I signed up for this like a while back. So it's like you make a profile and you can get on there and review products, and they send like samples and things like that, but you have to take these surveys and they kind of decide whether or not they're going to send you whatever their box is for that month. And you just like let them know, like you basically go through this survey. It's really long and I filled out quite a few of them, and then they're like, well, if you're gonna receive the box, then you're gonna get it within the next, few weeks or whatever. So I was so surprised whenever this came in because I had no idea. But this is the Fallskinprepvoxbox from Influenster, and so they do said it's just like any other little subscription kind of thing. So it's kind of like Ipsy in the way that it's samples, and then we do get a little card about all the products. It does not give pricing, but we get a little information on our little samples. And so basically it says go to Influencer app to access your campaign and review and post about your goodies. So they are kind of expecting you to review the products whenever they're sending them to you, which is like fine by me. So our first item in the box, and there's 4 items in here, and they are samples. So but for free, I'm not upset at anything that's free. So this is the Vanilla Co. Mr. Honey and Miss Flower Cream. This nourishing cream provides deep moisture and has rejuvenating properties, featuring all of the benefits of honey. And then it tells you down here the little Instagram info for each company, so you can go on Instagram and like share the product and things like that. My nose started running when I started putting my lashes on. That's a fun thing that happens to me. My eyes will start watering and my nose will start running. Love that for me. But I'm gonna give this a smell. Okay, it smells like honey, but also kind of like perfumey. So this is it just says nourishing cream, so I'm assuming it's for like the body, and it feels like when you look at it, it's a little bit kind of like maybe has like some glycerin in it kind of feeling, but it feels really soft and really nice, but it is very like honey and perfume kind of, but it's nice. I kind of like it. I'll honestly probably use that like on my hands, like the back of my hands where they get super dry. We're just gonna go ahead and do that right now. And then also like my elbows. Why not, right? I'm wearing an off the shoulder dress, so we're trying to make sure that this does, like, it's not gonna, like, if I move my arms too high, it's gonna pop up and trying to be cute. But that feels really nice. It smells really good. Like, it's like enough fragrance, but like still subtle. I don't know. I really like that. Okay, so it smells really good. So Vanilla Co., Miss Flower and Mr. Honey. So this has it listed as Mr. Honey and Miss Flower, and this is Miss Flower and Mr. Honey. So on the container, it's the ladies first. But it's this cute little packaging, and it's nice. It feels nice. It didn't leave me like greasy at all, but the skin feels like really, really soft. So I really like that because I hate the feeling of like feeling greasy, and it soaked right in, and it really feels like nice and soft on my hands, and my elbows feel really nice. So, all right, Vanilla Co., I see you. Let's move on to the next product. So the next product in the box we have, it's BELIF. I'm wondering if it's supposed to be like belief, but it says, because it says believe in the truth. So there you go. But this is the Aqua Bomb Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. I love a good makeup remover balm. It says a 3-step texture, balm to cream to oil. Okay. Cleansing balm that gently removes all traces of makeup while leaving the skin hydrated with a no oil residue feel. It all sounds really good. I'll probably use this today to test it out, to take off this eye look, which, by the way, before we take a look at her, the eye look today was done with the Glam Light Ice Cream Dream palette, and I am giving this palette away currently. The giveaway ends on the 13th of October, and you can go enter in my last video. I'll be sure to leave it linked above in the little info cards, but make sure you head over there and enter the giveaway to win this baby. She's very, very beautiful. This is the second look I've created with her, and I am overall very, very satisfied with the palette, so make sure you go enter that. So that's that little plug on that. Make sure if you want to win some free stuff, go enter my giveaway. But okay, I don't want to like get into it since I'm not going to use it, but it's like a little blue. Ooh, it smells like fresh, very, very fresh. So, and then on the container it just says apply evenly over the face, massage and rinse, avoid contact with the eyes, keep out of reach of children, blah blah blah. Effectively removes makeup and impurities, moisturizes and smooths skin after cleansing. And it's a cute little 9 milliliter little container, but it smells like really fresh. So I'm excited to use that to take my makeup off because it smells really nice. And it looks very much like a balm. It almost looks like a lip balm, but she's not. I bet you, although this would probably take off liquid lips like nobody's business, a good cleansing balm is like amazing for liquid lips. So, okay. The next thing, I'm actually excited for this. So this is a Clarins. It's the worldwide bestseller double serum. So it's 21 potent plant extracts for our most powerful age control concentrate ever. After 7 days, skin is visibly smoother, firmer, and more radiant. And this is based on Clarins' internal data from January to December of 2019. And the test was 362 women for 7 days. So that's super fun. And what they do is, it's this little thing, but it's a 7-day set. So you can do this for 7 days. So I think what I'm gonna do is do like a little like mini video, probably on my IGTV. So again, make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm gonna probably test this little 7-day set and make like an IGTV video about it, like showing me putting it on every day for 7 days and then seeing what differences we see in my skin. But I really thought that that was neat. So it has, they're like, it's separated into like 2 compartments because you're supposed to bend this and it like mix the ingredients together, so they are separate in the like little pack, which is neat. And so it says after 7 days, skin is 88% visibly smoother, 83% more radiant, 74% visibly firmer. And so it tells you to fold, press, mix, and apply. But I thought that was like a really neat little sample deal, and that they do give you like a full 7 days because that's what they've tested to see like shows a difference. So I am probably going to do a little tester video on this on my Instagram. So make sure you guys check that out because I'm excited. This is very neat. I do nighttime skincare. I know like people do morning and nighttime. I do nighttime skincare only, and then I'll probably get up for a week and put this on like in the morning. On the, you know, most days I'm honestly not doing makeup. I'm usually only doing makeup whenever I'm gonna be filming and things like that. Wow, I couldn't like get that thought out. But we should be able to just put this on our skin in the morning, let it soak in, and let it do its thing. So that'll be fun and exciting. We only have one more little product in here, but this was a cute little like, I don't know, I enjoyed this, and for it being free and all I had to do was like fill out some surveys, it was pretty neat to get it and not know I was getting it. I had to smell this again. This smells really, really good, y'all. Okay, so let's get into our last product here. Okie dokie. So our last product, I don't know how, I want to say it's probably like Idol. It's Idole, with the O has this little like accent mark at the top, so I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is a Lancome perfume, and it's a fresh floral fragrance with notes of rose, jasmine, and white musks. I'm not a rose fan, because I'm allergic to rose. It's more okay, like if it's in perfumes and stuff, it's fine, but not in any type of product that I'm going to be putting like on my skin or anything. So like I might, you know, put this onto like my clothes. But oh, she's a cute little bottle. Yes, ma'am. Okay. But jasmine and white musk sounds great. But this says receive 20% off of your fragrance, and it gives me this nice little code if I liked this and wanted to purchase this. So that is really neat. Love that. But let's go ahead and open her up. It's one of those little like little plugs. I wish it was a little roller ball or a little spray. That's more my jam. Oh yeah. This smells like a perfume my mom used to have whenever I was little. Whoa. I don't think it wasn't this, because she had some like crazy little perfume thing that my dad got her, but I recognize like this smell, but it was not, I know it wasn't this, but it smells like that. Oh, now I just like smell this because it smells like my mom. It smells like my mom from whenever I was like, I don't know, 10 or something, like back when she wore it. Oh, that smells really good. I bet you if I gave this to her, she would probably really like it, because she'd be like, oh, that smells good, and she probably wouldn't even remember like I do. But it smells like my mom. For real. Like this is like what she used to smell like whenever she would get ready to go out. And it would be like if we were going to dinner, or like if she was gonna go out with my dad, and I was like, I always remember her like getting ready and putting on her perfume and like getting ready to go out with my dad, and like I'd be, you know, staying home being watched by somebody or something, and they would go out for their anniversary or whatever. That's what this smells like. Like it just gave me this whole entire throwback. Okay, so this little perfume, she smells really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little like this number. That is throwing me, oh my gosh, throwing me back so hard. That smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to tell my mom that like I got this little perfume, and it's, I swear on my life, it smells like you like 15 years ago. That's hilarious. Oh, sorry guys, I just had like a little like happy throwback moment, but that smells really, really good. And it is like, I feel like this is a good size little sample. Okay, so it's 5 milliliters, but like when you look at it, like that is quite a bit, because with like perfume, like I put a little drop on my wrist, and you might put like a little drop behind the ear, or you know, like kind of, I'll take stuff like this and take it on my finger and then kind of like dab it onto my like shirt or dress or whatever. But that would like that sample is gonna last you like a minute. So that's really cute, and I love that they give that code like if you want to buy the full size, and 20% off is like, that's a pretty hefty chunk, especially because this perfume probably retails like pretty high, I'm gonna assume. You know what, we're gonna find out, because I'm just remembering that I have my extra phone handy. So this is the Idol Lancome. Here we go. What do we got? Okay, so they have like different sizes obviously, and the like 3 ounce is like $113. So when you think about it that way, if you were gonna buy like a large size, 20% off is like a decent chunk. So I think that's amazing. So love that. Ooh, yum. Dang, yeah. So it's showing like at Macy's, like in the department store, that it's like $113 for 3.40 ounces. So nice. Ooh, smells so good. Okay, so let's do just a little overview, because I'm super happy with this. I'm like kind of shocked how happy I am with this right now. So let's overview. Okay, so I'm most definitely going to keep using this little Miss Flower and Mr. Honey cream on my hands because that feels amazing, and it soaked right in and left everything feeling nice, but didn't leave me feeling gross because that's not my jam. And it smells so good. I feel like I smell super good now between this being on my skin and the perfume. In a little container, super cute. I'm very excited to test out this little 7-day serum. This is a very nice brand, very nice little product here, I feel like, and I will use the crap out of this. I love a makeup remover balm, so this stuff will probably go really quick because it's a little tiny sample, but she will get used, so she's probably going to be used up quick, fast, and in a hurry. So this is like all stuff that I will use. There was nothing in here that I was like, what am I gonna do with that? So I was very happy about that. And the fact that this perfume just like threw me back to like 15 years ago is blowing my mind. And it gave me a little happy moment, like a little like, oh, I don't know, I enjoyed it. So make sure you guys go sign up for Influenster because like I said, it's free. You sign up and you can go in and see other people's reviews on products. You can review products that you've tried to help other people, like answer other people's questions and things like that. And then they send you these VoxBox surveys, and you fill out the surveys and let them know, like just answer all the questions of stuff that you like, stuff you don't like, stuff you'd be willing to try, and all that type of thing. And you might end up with a nice little free box of samples. And it's just, who can argue with free stuff, and who doesn't have like 10-15 minutes to just like sit there and fill something out to possibly get free things. So let me know what you guys think of this little unboxing. Let me know if you have received any Influenster VoxBoxes before, or if you're gonna go check them out now because this looks exciting to you. Just tell me whatever you're thinking while you're watching down in the comments. Make sure you guys go check out the giveaway in my last video so you can enter to win the beautiful Glam Light palette. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.